Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to unblock websites on your Chrome or in your browser. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do here is to look or find out the page that we want to unblock. What we need to do here, or what we need to have here, is a Google Docs. So from here, what we need to do here is to look for the website that we want to unblock, which is, let's say, for instance, Facebook. Copy its link, copy link address, go to Google Docs, click insert, click link, and copy or paste the link that we've just copied, and then click apply. Next is that we're going to get the login domain or the login section of that particular website and click on right click and copy the link address, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to insert, click link, paste the link, and click apply. The next thing that we need to do here is to head on over to the file, because we're going to convert it from docs to PDF. So click on file, click download, and click on PDF document. After that, simply open the PDF that we just downloaded and click on the link. And as you can see here, the website is not blocked anymore. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.